Hello there! Today we will be making faces. So are you excited for this? Well then look at the first page. Wow, we see faces of teens here. Can we follow the steps and start making this? That's lovely. Let's start with the first step, which is by making an oval for the face. And then let's make the neck. Let's continue by making the ears now. And then the eyebrows. After that, continue making his features. And then the hair. Yes, for the hair initially, we will just make a curved line outside the border of the circle or the oval. Let's start giving the features a fine detail now. Start by making an almond shape eye. And then the eyebrows. Yes, if you notice, the eyebrow needs to be a little thick in the front and a little thin at the back. Once that is done, we will make the lips. And after that, make the hair as well. Let's make the hair zigzag. Try and make exactly like how it's shown in the picture. And even if you're not able to make it that way, that's absolutely okay. It's a face and it can be a little different. Make sure your oval of the face is big enough so that all your features can fit in properly. For example, your eyes, nose, lips, etc. The next thing we do is make a face of this girl. If you notice, the oval we've made is a little thicker on the top and a little thinner at the bottom. Let's make the neck and then just the outline of the hair. Continue making the ears now. And then start by making the features one by one. We will start with the eyebrow, then the circle of the eye, then the tip of the nose, and then the line of our lips. Let's make her fringes now. Now we will make the almond shape for the eyes and then make the nose properly. Continue to make the lips. And then make the hair properly. Let's make the eyelashes for the girl. And then the eyebrows. She looks so pretty. Continue making the lines for the hair. Let's add some extra features right here. Yes, make them a little better. And now, let's take our sketch pen and start sketching this. Well, it is a very simple process. We need to sketch exactly what we have drawn so that it gets easier for us to color this as well. Go very slow while sketching this. And of course, go right on top of the pencil marks. Make sure you go very slow while making these features, as we cannot make a mistake when we are doing that. Now that the eyebrow is black in color, you can directly color it with your sketch pen, as it is very thin. Once that is done, let's make the eyes. And then the nose. After which, we will be making the lips. Continue the same process for the girl as well. Start with the U of the face, which is the border of the face. After that, the neck and the ears. And then the hair. This looks beautiful. Can we make the eyebrows slowly and nicely? Use the tip of your sketch pen to sketch all of this, as they are very minute details and we cannot go wrong with it. And look at that! Our teens are ready! Let's erase all the pencil marks we see and then start coloring this. Start by coloring the skin, which is with cream color or peach color. Of course, we will start with the outline first and then color in one direction. Make sure you leave the eyeball part of both the teens empty. You cannot color it with skin color as it is white in color. Let's color the entire thing properly. And after that, let's use brown color for the eye. Looks beautiful. Let's use a very light pink for the lips. And finally, let's use grey, which is a very dark grey color for the hair. Yes, we will be making these lines with our sketch pen as well. And after that, we can complete this with coloring black on it. Remember, black is a very dark color and hence it is supposed to be used in the end, or there are chances that your entire black color might smudge when you're coloring the other colors. So it is advisable to use it in the end so our drawing is neat and clean. This looks lovely. Once we're done with this, let's go ahead by coloring this in a similar way. Well, yes, we will start by using peach color or cream color for the face. Grey color for the eyes. Red color for the lips. And black color for the hair. Let's go very slow while coloring this. Once we are done with the black at the bottom, we are going to blend it with brown color. Complete the entire thing in a similar way. And give it a little bit of a finishing touch up now. This looks wonderful.